Oh, hi, that's a lot of things I can open. Ah, shit! Hello, my name is Bird, and welcome back to The Fridge is Red. The last time we got stuck here, and we're gonna go back to it later once I figure out what's wrong. But for now, let's try this thing. Are we going to swim? I thought it's all in water. Hello,
What's
lady.
my wife in there?
Tell me which room my wife
Can't you
is?
see I'm busy? This isn't a reference room. There are a lot of you here who need something, and I'm the only one here. You can't have a normal lunch anymore.
Well, I'm the only one.
What kind of people are these days? They have no upbringing, no hello, no goodbye. Everyone owes them a favor. Here's the phone. You call and find out where your wife is, and I'm busy.
Are you playing there? Lady! Yeah, it looks like a snake game a little bit.
Here's the phone. You call and find out where your wife is, and I'm busy.
See, you're busy. Give me the phone. I cannot see it. I'm gonna took this thing. Take. Oh, wow. Okay, got it.
Damn. Can't read the number of the oncology department. The whole journal is smeared with blood, so you can't make out the right numbers.
What? So I cannot call because I cannot understand the numbers? I'm gonna turn off your computer. Huh? What? Okay, she's just sleeping. Got it. Okay, I'm gonna go and look for myself then. I'm gonna go into the Oh. No, thank you. Let's go stuff only. Can I check something cool? No? This thing? There's a lot of cool places. Okay, I cannot go outside. Anyone here? I probably should not do that, but... Okay, I can see anything, so probably no one is there. Or I'm just being very creepy. Okay, this one is normal. It's confusing. Oh, hi. Hello. But no one is there. Let's turn off everything. Let's save energy. So, should I go for the normal one or for the broken one?
Here's the phone. You call and find
Here's
out
the
where your
phone.
wife is, and I'm busy.
But here's the journal. Journals? I need to find the one without blood on it? Okay. This one is weird. Can I go there? Can I go back? I don't think so. Oh, fuck, I can! Okay, let's go for the trippy place. Hello? Can I push you? I can! That is amazing. Oh, yeah. No, almost no gravity. Yay! Okay. Do I need to find a journal here? Shit, I shouldn't be playing with this because I cannot find it now. Journal? Are you the journal? I don't think so. Nope. Here, can I get some drinks? Oh, by the way. This was the first aid. So you have to strangle person, then ask for help, then leave it, and then run over with the car. That's a useful guide, thank you. Where's the journal? Fuck. Okay. Anything? Oh my! Hello, bloody police. Lady's not there. Turn off the thing. Journals! I definitely need to clean here. Damn. Is that... I thought it's good. I don't know why I thought so. Maybe because everything is blood. Oh, what? Are you kidding me? I saw a journal. Is it like in different places and I need to find all of them? Okay, I maybe missed it, but I don't remember a hand being there. Is it like opposite direction, like dimension? Why is it written like that? Am I behind the mirror? Give me the journal, please. Okay, journal.
Damn. You can't read the number of the
Still
oncology
with
department.
blood.
The whole journal is smeared with
Oh
blood.
my god.
So you can't make out the right numbers.
How can I find a one without blood on it? Damn it, is this some kind of pattern? Because I thought that this thing means something, but I'm not sure actually. Okay, it should be here because we see a hand here. So the journal should be there. Yep, but it's still in blood. I've seen the journal in like every possible room from what I remember. In the bloody room, in this room, because now it's going to be here. And it's so bloody. So what do you want from me? And this room is probably here. Yep, it is. Thank you for a hand. So, what do you want from me? Oh, gee. Lady, I've seen so many journals. Okay, so, here's the thing, I guess. I finally see the number. So yeah, 2 1 3 2. Hi.
Department. How can I help you? Can you please tell me which room Chloe Gilt is in?
Sorry, it's my first day. I don't know all the patients yet, but I haven't seen a chart of a patient with that name. You can try asking in the archives. Forget there and you go straight. Left, right, straight. Good luck.
Straight. I forgot already. Okay, thank you. Forward. Left. Shush. Left again, I guess. So it works. And now right. And the last one was straight again, but okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. Oh, by the way, it's such a dirty room, but this is right. Shit. Okay, finally, yes! I'm not scared, I'm okay. What a beautiful place. My wife's keys. Anyone can help me? I'm not scared. I'm being absolutely calm. Wrong. Shit! Wrong. Aww. Okay, let's continue. I think I'm doing the wrong thing. I really want to close my eyes so I'm not gonna get spooked or anything like that. Okay, I do like to run around without using my brain, but I think the game wants me to use it for some reason. Come on. Oh, Jesus Christ. This place is a nightmare. Okay, so I assume that it says wrong when I got the pattern wrong, and now I'm in the place 0 again, like this, and now I can go and just try to find out what the hell they want from me. Okay, let's try to go right all the time. It says wrong already, amazing. Okay. Okay, after what feels like endless running, I'm here.
Can't you see I'm busy? Here is a list of recently arrived patients in front of you. Look for yourself. We'll wipe this.
thank you, but I cannot say anything. Number 7, thank you. And
Can't
not
you see I'm
thank
busy?
you.
Here is a list.
Oh. Hello. Am I a spirit myself? Damn it, I'm sorry for pushing you to the line. I am really sorry. I'm stuck. Oh, what? Okay, let's see. Hi? Hi? Okay. It's empty, that's good. Find the word. Number 1. Do I need to wait? Can I attack you? Stop coughing! Okay, I need to be a dick and just trying to push my way into it? Or should I wait? Come on. Oh! Ah, fuck. Can I jump over it? Yeah, this is what I want to do. I want to stay in a queue, you know? That's why I'm playing games. I missed my chance to push. Come on. Move a little bit. Okay. You're going to the bloody place. Me too. Okay, it's gonna take some time. Okay, we're almost there. Yes. Please don't be angry at me. Ah, those sounds. I think it's 6. Jesus, those sounds. Guys, are you okay? Hello, are you busy? It's dark. And nothing is going on here. Kinda. I'm gonna check anyway. Hi. Shit! Now I'm stuck. Amazing. Okay, 6. Let's focus on our wife. Oh my god. Nope. Ah! Feels a little bit like my dumb dreams when I'm getting confused and running around in circles. Okay, 7, so 6 should be there somewhere. Okay, take someone from 7, that's good enough, I guess. Hello, someone wants to go with me? No. Ah! Those sounds are still creepy as hell. No, that's not where I need to go. What is my wife? Wife? Oh, hi. That's a lot of things I can open. Ah, shit! Come on, not again. Fuck you. Okay, I'll go.
Have you seen my wife here? Her name is Chloe. She must be around here somewhere.
Yes, there was one here, but she was transferred to another place. You know, I don't have much time left. Could you bring me my son so I can look at him one last time? He's here somewhere in the hospital.
All right. But after that, you're going to tell me where you transferred my wife.
Oh my god! What is a child now? Okay, so I've been following the signs and I guess this is the right place? I hope so, at least. What is the child? Okay, not there. Maybe here? Okay, found it! What the hell? Gee, what are those noises? Is that... Sheesh, please, damn. Okay, intense therapy? I guess that's where he is. Okay, let's go. Jesus! Stop it! The sound it's making, it's terrifying. Guy, where are you? Are we there yet? Yes, I think this is the right place. So are you here? Yes, here's a child. Take it.
My beautiful baby.
Okay,
Now
if
tell
he
me where
says
my
so.
wife is.
Go forward. Right. Then right again. Right and left.
Okay, 3 times right and left. Have fun with the baby. Right. By the way, do I need to go just right or pay attention to this sign? Jesus! It's not right. It's definitely right. I don't get it. Damn. It's gonna be fun.
Where are you going? You can't go in there.
There's my
Okay.
wife in there.
And you need a certificate from the head of the department. Also a certificate from the treating doctor. And pick up your wife's things from the storekeeper on duty.
No. Just let me see my wife,
A
please.
certificate from the vault attendant on duty. I just want to see my wife.
Have you collected all the certificates?
No! You know what?
Have you collected
Lady!
all the certificates?
No! Is that a joke?
Have you collected all the certificates?
Oh my god! Oh my no! Oh Jesus!
Your
Hello,
wife's
doctor.
discharge is on the table. Take it and go.
Yes, yes. Inspect. What? Okay, good enough. Lady, just let me go. Is that good?
Have you collected all the certificates?
All of them? Okay, so you want me to run around for half an hour again? Thank you. Okay, you.
Listen, I've been here all day. My throat is dry. Can you
Oh
get me
my
something to drink
God.
from the vending machine?
Oh. Where's the vending machine? Give me stuff. Thank you. The guy wants to drink and he won't help me without it. So,
Thank you. Here are your wife's things.
thank you, I guess. What is this hospital?
Have you collected all the certificates?
Looks like not. Gee, man. This place? No, still closed. Cannot see what's in there. Probably nothing. Yep. So... oh my god. Do you have a key or something? This one behind you? I cannot say anything. Oh, key! Nice. Oh. I'm gonna turn this off too. Okay, finally. Give me the certificate, please. Okay, are you dead? Then it should be easy. Just give it to me. So what do I need here? A chair. Please, give me that. I know you're dead and all of that, but true. Am I asking too much? Lady, it's not there. He's
Have you
dead.
collected all the certificates?
No, the man's dead. Gee. So I'm pretty sure that the thing here is the last certificate that I need, and after that I'm probably gonna be close to finally seeing my wife. But this game hates me. And I stuck, and if I leave, I'm gonna lose all the progress. But it's not like I have a choice, so let's just check if I indeed lose all of the progress. Please. No, I did. You know what? I'm pretty sure that it's easy to find ending for this part or the previous one, but for some reason this game just hates me. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to finish it, but I'll try, and if I cannot, then please check ending somewhere else, and sorry for that. And yeah, thank you for watching, take care, and see you next time.